Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link Trust Wallet to Hahm. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Next, locate and tap the D-app browser icon, usually found at the bottom. Then, carefully type the official Hahm platform URL into the browser's address bar and press Enter to navigate to the site. This ensures you are on the correct and secure platform. Once on the Hahm platform, look for the Connect Wallet button, often prominently displayed. Tap this button, and a list of wallet options will appear. Choose Trust Wallet from this selection. Your Trust Wallet app will then prompt you to approve the connection. Review the details carefully before confirming to ensure security and proper linking. After approving the connection, return to the Hahm platform. You should see your Trust Wallet address displayed, indicating a successful link. Sometimes, there might be additional security prompts or signature requests within Trust Wallet. Always review these. Once confirmed, your Trust Wallet is fully linked to Hahm, allowing you to interact with its features. For your security, always remember to disconnect your Trust Wallet from Hahm when you are finished with your session. This minimizes potential risks. Also, be extremely cautious of phishing attempts. Always double-check that you are on the official Hahm website URL. And hey, if you're looking for some amazing deals, check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great offers. Your security and comfort are important.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.